What you doing helping with it?
Golly, y'all.
It's just starting point.
Hey.
What is it?
Heavy.
That's just starting point. Just rip it out of there.
Giraffe fat? Whatever it is, it's big.
Huge. I'm ready for
Oh, that's one of them tables that you eat at the chair with.
No, I don't know about it. A table. It's big enough for all of us. I'm not, if it's a table.
We should open this earlier.
Huh.
We needed this earlier.
Two.
Yeah, so we could all
Two.
eat.
Yeah.
Dad, look behind
Two.
you.
Here. Here's the clock.
Oh.
You can eat set these days.
Hey.
What is it?
Oh, my Lord! How, when, and where did you three get together to do the Smith and Look? Oh,
And we all got an 8x10 too.
my Tony, my Terry, my man. Oh, God, I love that.
Turn
Which
around.
wall, man, can I put it on?
You put it right there when I put it above the couch. You take that picture down above the couch, put that one up.
You can lay this over it now, you get ready.
Oh,
Turn around, let's see.
That
Show
was,
it.
God, it's beautiful. I ain't through looking. Ain't it pretty? Ain't that good?
This is yours too. That goes with it.
You see?
I don't know.
Terry said he got the museum,
Museum.
the
It's
museum
museum glass.
glass. I said that way, you know, this might be hanging next to the Mona Lisa someday.
There ain't no glare on that
Yeah.
glass. There ain't no glare on it.
We all got an 8x10 of it too.
Huh?
We got an 8x10.
We each got an 8x10.
Oh, my word. This thing is, this, how, when, and where?
I told you I bet Terry and Tony to pick your Christmas present up.
Together to do this, Tony.
I told you I bet Tony and Terry to pick your Christmas present up.
I can't believe you slowed Tony down, and especially you, long enough. Now,
It was my idea.
Terry,
It was my idea. I called them about it.
how come you ain't tell me?
Cause I
Well,
didn't
there's a
want to.
reason for that.
That's a surprise thing.
Let's put it back in this box to protect. When we
I
get it
thought you
home.
said you could wait till Christmas and
Yep.
I knew what they would have. So, Amanda,
I
yeah,
knew, but you, I went with them.
Tell me nothing about it.